subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched two new entry-level smartphones under A series in India called Redmi A2 and Redmi A2 Plus. Both of these devices share quite similar design and specifications, but the only difference is the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor seen on the Redmi A2 Plus smartphone. Now let's see the specifications of the Redmi A2 smartphone. The Redmi A2 features a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and it has a tall 20:9 aspect ratio. The phone comes powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with PowerVR G8320 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 2 or 4GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 3GB by using internal storage, and it has 32 or 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Redmi A2 supports an AI-featured dual-camera setup on the rear that houses one 8MP primary sensor along with the unspecified secondary lens. And for selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support, and it runs on Android 13 out of the box under Go edition. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a microUSB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of the Redmi A2 smartphone. The Redmi A2 has been priced in India for 2GB plus 32GB storage variant at 5,999 rupees, while the 2GB plus 64GB storage model is priced at 6,499 rupees, and the higher variant with 4GB plus 64GB storage option is priced at 7,499 rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from May 23rd in classic black, aqua blue, and sea green color option. So what do you guys think of this Redmi A2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.